reminder before we go further and discuss Beyond Meat. Price action for today, Wednesday, because the price is pulling back just below the squeeze zone as we discussed from last video yesterday. Remember our content here only for education purposes. So guys, Beyond Meat, we got, yeah, it's down just almost 2%. The reason is we have a little pullback. One of the main reason is getting near the white line. You see here, we almost tested this white line and now we have a pullback. So what's the best case scenario? What we should expect before the close for today, guys, is a retest for this white line and break from it to have the squeeze here around the $1.20. So yesterday we did 5%. Today we should do 10% in order to have the first sign of squeeze. Not that much, to be honest, guys, because Beyond Meat could do like 30-40% if we have the right catalyst and the right buyer. However, today we still have the seller around $1.20, which is the level that we have to break in order to go toward the 137, 159, and 187. If we pull back, on the other hand, we've got the 94 as we discussed from yesterday in order to hold if we don't want to have a flash down for Beyond Meat. So this is a really important trend that we should hold for this month and the last few days and the 2 weeks that we've got. So if we consolidate it here before the end of this year, we might have the squeeze later on before the close for the trading session for this week, because I think next week the market will be closed for Christmas. So we might have a gift from Santa for us for a major squeeze before Christmas, because at the 1st of December we got this surprise actually, and we did 70%. So today or this week we might have the squeeze before Christmas, before even next week would be really good. Like ending for this trading session for this year. Let me know, guys, in comment section below. Are we gonna have the squeeze for Beyond Meat before Christmas or not? And as a reminder, guys, we've got a major update for Beyond Meat and other stocks that almost we have update for you guys on Discord. Last time we did the Frontier Y. As everybody knows, campus stocks is the main focus right now for everybody, because CRY started to squeeze, and we did alert yesterday for our hunters for watching for this orange line. If you see, this is an entry zone for us, 1134. We had 12, 13, and even 15, and the price pulled back. Yeah, we always do updates like those on our Discord and link comes section below, everybody.